How to create an email banner on Canva. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an email banner on Canva. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Canva, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Canva, it is a user-friendly cloud-based graphic design platform that enables individuals and teams to create a professional quality visual content with ease. And it offers a wide range of customizable templates for social media posts, presentations, posters, videos, resumes, and marketing materials, making it accessible even to users with no prior experience on designing. So after successfully creating your account, you'll be directed in here and you can simply go to the template section. And from here, to start creating an email banner, just simply go to the search bar and search email banner. Upon searching on it, you should be able to see here a variety of results with each kind of different layout, design, color, and many more. And some of these templates are offered for free, while some of it you need to have a pro account in order to access and customize those kind of templates. And in here, I'm just going to simply select here the first one, which is this one. Or you could also choose the different kind of category with your email header and even different kind of style, such as modern, professional, minimalist. And in those options, I'm just going to simply choose here the first one that come up, which is this one. Upon clicking on it, on this pop-up window, just choose Customize this template button to proceed. After that, all we need to do in here is simply wait for it to load and start customizing this template. We can start clicking any of these elements, including the text. By highlighting it or selecting it, we can start changing in here. After selecting this whole context, I'm going to enter promo these 2026. So as you can see, we have now successfully customized this context. You could also do the same, including on this website in here that says, and I'm going to enter www.store123.com. So you can simply enter here your store website. Well, for the background, you can simply click on it and choose the background color on the left side panel. All you need to do is to simply select here the color palette with your default gradient color or simply solid colors, depending on your preferences. And at this point, I'm just going to simply select here random one, which is this one. You could also click this element switches on the left side panel and you can start searching the images that you want to replace the image on this template. For instance, I'm going to search gadget iPhone. You can simply search iPhone in here and go to the photos section. Now after searching it, all we need to do is simply select here the kind of photo we want to add in here. Let's say this one. I'm going to simply drag it directly in this part. Alternatively, you simply drag it directly from element section in here. Now for the other photos in here that we're going to replace, instead of iPhone, I'm just going to simply search in here under the element section, the gadgets. And again, just do the same process of simply choosing the kind of gadget and enter it directly in here. So as you can see, we have now successfully customized the elements in here. Mostly, you could also add a design if you want to change the whole design by clicking the design section. We have here also a variety of templates to choose from, because under the style section, from here you can simply click any of this color palette or style, and upon choosing it, it will show you the effect of it or the result in our design in here. All you need to do is simply clicking any of this color and it will automatically transform our own design in here. So as you can see, it is pretty much customizable in here, all of this kind of design. Moving on, you could also upload a context and also upload a media files. Under this context section, you can choose either add a heading, subheading, and many more. For instance, I'm going to enter here a context that says get yours now. And I'm going to place it directly below here. So as you can see, this is basically what it looks like. You could also upload a computer files or media files from your computer by clicking the uploads button on the left side panel as well. So basically, this email banner serves as a visual header of an email which is designed to immediately capture the recipient's attention and set the tone of the message. And creating an email banner using Canva is important because Canva simplifies the design processes while maintaining professional quality. And it also offers already made email banners templates. And now once done, you can click the share button on the top right corner if you want to start publishing or downloading your own email banner, and click download button to proceed, and even choose the file type, either JPG or PNG in here as recommended or suggested. But overall, that is just basically how you can create an email banner on Canva. Thank you.